silently, you can work efficiently. Proto, enhanced performance is my motto. I make monitoring and it's not easier. No Facebook, no games, efficiency gets better. I ensure effective people planning. The 20% lesser startup company is exciting. Proto, preventing data theft is my motto. I prevent data leakage, securing your business image. No pen drive, no email, no pen without permission. No stealing of data, and you work without any tension. Proto, preventing data loss is my motto. Reverse data loss, saving you from your angry boss. I recover deleted files, making it sure that your heart will smile. Proto, protecting laptop theft is my motto. Protect your lost laptop, to let you work non-stop. I do remote data encryption, saving you from security tension. I am Proto, bringing family closer is my motto. I protect your kids while they serve. As I know that parenting is tough, I like to bring smart new faces, make internet surfing relaxing with all work quizzes. I am Proto.